Scotsmen and of Irish hearts, who marched and fell together. No crown was won, no throne was gained, no kingdom rose that day, but the songs they left behind them will never fade away. So raise a glass to 45, to those who crossed the sea, to every man whose name was lost, but not his memory. For when the pipes begin to play and night falls on the moor, you'll hear the ghosts of Jacobites still walking Culloden's shore.